ever just get down on your knees and thank God that you know me.
All right, lady, blah, 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 blah. What a horrible start to the video. Okay, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go over my watch list here real quick, just super fast mode. We're gonna go through each stock, and I'm just gonna tell you what's a buy and what isn't. So, Marl stock, absolutely a buy here. I would buy. Just if it as long as it's under that purple line, just keep buying. I would not go short on it. If you want to go short on it, go ahead. But someone in my Discord said that they're going short on it because they want to make money to the short side, and I'm like, I wouldn't do that. We're not even about shorting, we're about going long. So I would just continue to buy. Just don't try to time bottoms, right? There's too many people who look at 1440 and they're like, oh, what if it goes to 13? And then when the price is at 13, oh, what if it goes to 12? And they never actually click the buy button. And then it goes back to 15 and they're like, oh, I should have bought when it was actually at 13. Like, it's so stupid. So Mara, a buy. Open is a buy tomorrow if we can get that breakout. And momentum, I would use the MACD strategy to ride the momentum up and take profit, have a tight stop. So this one's also a play here, momentum play. Very different play. We're looking to ride the hype up to 6+. But you really need to have discipline and use the strategy correctly. So use the MACD strategy with this one. 3-minute time frame MACD strategy. Buy in, ride the momentum on the crossover, stop loss under the candle, previous candle, and there you go. Good risk to reward ratio with this one if it does get that big pump. NYX, this one it's not a buy anymore. It was a buy down here at 1.4. This one trading within range, inevitably comes back up to like 220 plus. So this is not a buy right now, but if you're in it and I'm in it already, just continue to hold. Don't worry about it. Amazon, don't care. SoundHound, way too expensive for me. I want that one back to at least 11 and under, but we might not see those levels ever again. IonQ, Rigetti, Quantum Stocks as a whole, I think, are a buy at the purple line, so wait for the purple line. Netflix, we've been buying this one as it goes down, not trying to time it, right? And you can see it loves to rally huge after getting close to that purple line. So when this thing starts breaking out, it's going to move like $50 to $100 at a time. So this one's a good one as well. Sell target of 1,500, 1,700 for a nice 30%er. So yeah, this one, just buy like 1 or 2 shares at a time is what I've been doing. I have not added because I want to see if it's going to break out and go higher. So Netflix, that's a good one. It's also a good long-term hold. And Meta, don't care. DTES, not doing much of anything here. Another one of those sideways stocks, and eventually gets a big breakout. We'll see if it happens. But I am in at 2.40, and I'm just again sitting on it because it's not going anywhere. That's kind of when people don't want it. When it's going nowhere, then it explodes huge. Oh, everyone wants it now. And then you dump it on their heads. Robinhood, buy under 100. I think that's a good one. Under 100. RGTI, I already said, purple line. Quantum stocks continue to rocket over the long term. Don't care for semiconductors unless it's NVIDIA. I don't really care about AMD. Just buy NVIDIA at that point. You want to buy the best one that performs better over the long term, you just buy NVIDIA at that point. MSFT, what is this? Wait, Microsoft? Whoa, Microsoft, huh? No, never mind. I was going to say maybe some calls on Microsoft, but no thanks. I take that back. Quantum ETF, good long-term hold. So that one you just buy and accumulate, hold for like 10, 20 years. NVIDIA, I hope it breaks down below the 50. I would love to see it break down and come down to the purple line. We'll see what happens. But this one's probably going to be a buy at the low 160s, high 150s is what I'm looking for calls at that point. Palantir, same thing. If it comes down to the purple line, buy calls. Every time it comes down to the purple line, it's a huge call buying opportunity. Buy it with time, of course. TSSI under the purple line. Every time it goes under the purple line, nobody wants it. Then it rockets huge. It's a low floater, so when it drops dollars, and when it goes $10, $20, right? That's just how it is. You don't want to be scared down here. This is literally a rinse and repeat of last time. So this is a buy. Serve, don't care for Riot. QUBT, APLD, I would want to buy it maybe at 10 and under, but I doubtful we get down there. BBAI, it's always a buy under the purple line, nobody wants it, and then it goes huge. So this one's absolutely a buy right now. This one has to find support, so I'm not really interested. NVTS breaking down below support. This is why I tell people to set a stop. If you get stopped out, get out and don't hold the bag, because you never know how low this is going to go. Especially if this has to close this gap back down to like $2. So be very careful with NVTS. This is why I was very adamant about having that stop loss at 5.4, I believe. What was it? 5.70 or something like that. Yeah, that stop loss was important so you don't hold the bag. MSTR, a buy every time it comes down to the purple line and under it. Rallies huge, rallies, so that's one same thing. It's a buy. Shares, I wouldn't buy calls. I'm not going to do that. Screw that. UEC, way too expensive, way above the purple line. I need to come back to the purple line. I don't know if it's going to do that. Like, some of these stocks are just not going to come down because they have too much strength behind them. Nightscope is a buy here. Nobody wants it when it's around 5 and under or 6 and under, and then it rallies huge on some catalysts. So this one's a buy. MicroStrategy, already said that. QSI, and I don't know much about that one, so we can't talk about it. Color stock, incredible short opportunity. Just keep shorting all the way down. Yeah, I think that's it. Our R stock, hey, I remember our R stock. Yeah, that one's going to come down nice and cheap to 2 and under. That one's a buy. AI Robotics, buy under 2, hold for the big pump to 3 or 4, and take the 50 to 100%. See, I even give you the buy and sell targets. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't click off just yet, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about this year's bonus play with Netflix stock. If you want to learn more about this play, check out the video in the description below. There will be a link, and you can see the potential for 25 to 50% on this bonus play. So Netflix stock, just a real quick rundown. Trends on the yearly for the past 13 years. It's only had 2 red years and 11 green years. Let that sink in. Again, check it out. Great bonus play. Now let's move on to the next part of the video. That's it for this episode of the Stock Market Show. Patreon.com/ShadesandTrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. As you can see here, Shane, cool, thanks, man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. I really appreciate your work. I did take profit. I love this. Jeff, advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. $50 a month is well worth it. Virgilus, Shades Houstings, sitting on 1,600 shares of Sound, up 21%. Shall I keep holding? So again, patreon.com/ShadesandTrades for trade alerts. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys.
Risk is managed, I let it dance. If it breaks below, I cut it clean. No room for hope, I trade like a machine.